UNBOX Nation, are you looking for a nice little small, compact, portable power bank to take with you on the go on your daily commute? Then I think you're going to stay tuned and check out this video on this little 5,000 mAh portable power bank. Alright. Yo, Skippy, roll that intro.
Okay, YouTube, this your boy Mark for LOOSESCREWZZANDVIEWS, back to give another video. But you know how we do. Before we get started, let's get all that business and politicking out of the way. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you'll be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Go ahead and subscribe. Alright, now that we got all that business and politicking out of the way, let's get to the video.
UNBOX Nation, this is your main man Mark, back again with another video. Yep. We got another power bank review, alright, from a company called The Ones. At least that's what it says on the website. But, you know, before we get started, I want to give all thanks and praise to my Heavenly Father, God above, and Savior Jesus Christ, because without God, none of this is possible. Would nothing be possible, really, if it wasn't for God, all right? But anything is possible as long as you keep God in it, all right? Because God can do the impossible, all right? All right. And also, by the way, can you guys do me a favor, go down there and hit the subscribe button. It's free, don't cost anything, and you'll be helping somebody out, all right? It ain't gonna cost nothing, it ain't gonna hurt. Go ahead and hit it down there somewhere. Anyway, today we're gonna be looking at this little small portable power bank from a company called The Ones. 5,000, so 5,000. And one of the things that really got me is the design of it, which you'll see in a minute. It's got a little bit different design. Kind of reminds me of Charge, that company that makes power banks named Charge. But anyway, let me give you some specs for the spec junkies out here so we can get this bad boy out of the box, all right? It's called The Ones. Well, that's what I'm saying. It's saying The Ones Small Portable Charger, 5,000 mAh fast charging power bank, mini battery pack backup charger, smart display, okay, LED lights, what? And for iPhone 15, 16, you get it. It's got a lightning plug with it too, and a USB-C plug built into it, all right? So, okay, let's check this out. I didn't really notice that part, or did I? Let's go ahead and open up, get out of the box. Let me show you the box first. As you can see, it says 5,000 mAh, and it's telling you a 10.5 watt fast charge, all right? And it's showing you got USB-C, built-in USB-C, and a built-in lightning charge, you know. For those people that still, you know, have some of the older phones that still have the lightning, you know, charge, you know, everybody just don't upgrade every year. But anyway, what is it? Says real capacity, not sure what that means. And there's some information on the back. You pause it, read it for yourself. So I'm about 18 watt, 0.5 watt hours. Not sure what that's all about, but let's get this bad boy out of the box, all right? All right, because we're already 2 minutes in. All right, let's go ahead and get this bad boy out of the box. We got a Milwaukee on deck today. All right, let's go ahead and get this out of the plastic. Boy, it's been a minute since I've had a product that came wrapped up in the plastic. Shoot, okay, so I know this is brand new and not a return. Because a lot of times you order stuff and it'll be wrapped in the plastic. You know that a lot of times you don't got to return. All right, and we're not gonna mention who does that all the time, but you know it is what it is. So let me put this aside, see if I can get this plastic off of here. All right, toss this plastic to the side. All right. Let's go ahead and get this bad boy out of this box. Don't tell me you want to troll me, okay? Because I really don't want to tear up the box, but all right, I tore the box. All right, let's get it out of here. Dump everything out. Toss that box to the side. Got his instruction booklet. We toss that to the side. We don't need that right now. Got a quality certified. So they saying they got some quality products. So we get this bad boy out, toss that to the side, and it comes with a USB-C, USB-A, and this is, when I say tiny cable, this thing is a tiny cable. Tiny cable. I don't even think this is a full, this might be 1 foot, I don't know. I might need to get my measuring tape back out here on the desk. But anyway, toss that to the side, get that out of my way. And here is the power bank itself. And see, this is what got me, the transparent design. I love this new fad that's going around with a lot of the stuff is showing a transparent design, so you can see all the inner workings inside. That's too cool, and it's showing you like the meter for the battery percentage. It's showing 100, 75, 50, and 25. This right here, you ain't even got to guess how much power you got left or how much juice is in your power bank. All right, so. Let's see here. Is there a power button? All right. Before we get the power button, this is a USB-A slot right here. And if I'm not mistaken, No, they'll say if it's that's the charger, but I guess that's what instructions are for, so you can tell which you could use to charge. But USB-C charging slot along with the power button, and you got the the USB-C cord, which you can get a carabiner and strap on here, and clip it onto your bag or your pants loop or whatever, you know. Oh, I think I see how you charge it up. All right, so, oh, okay. It comes out like that. Okay, too cool, too cool. You see that? Comes out just like that. You stuff it back in there. Now, I think over time, that's probably gonna wear down. So, me, myself, I wouldn't trust keeping this clipped on a power bank, because over time, that's gonna get loose and shaking and shaking and shaking, and this might come out, you know, it's not coming out now, but over time, wear and tear, it's gonna come out. Then you got another cord. This is the charging. This is the charging right here. This is crazy. This is not, I mean, I guess they figured that you're gonna be right next to a power source where you can just plug this in like that. If they was gonna do something like this, they should just put AC, fold in AC plug right there instead of that. But, you know, can't complain, can't complain. So let's go ahead and see. Let's go ahead and put the power button and turn it on. See what we're working with. All right. Make sure I got it, you know, not upside down. All right. I guess you got to press and hold. I'm pressing and hold, and okay, we only at 50%. I don't know if you really see that. Let me do it again. Just 50%. So what I probably need to do is go ahead and charge this up. But let's see what we're working with. All right. Let's see. Press any more. Oh, okay. You press the button 2 times, and the light come on. Oh, bright. Let's do this all over again. Oh, that's why I got this bad boy. That's why I got it. It had a little flashlight on it. Oh, okay. Let me press and hold to turn it off. All right. So let's just go ahead and do this. 1 press on, 1000, 2, 1000, 3, 1004, or 1, 2. Okay, two clicks to turn on. Okay, second click, brightness. The third click is the highest brightness, and the 5th click is the SOS, and the last click should be oh, I thought it was gonna be strobe. It was a strobe on here a minute ago. Let me keep hitting it. All right, you got to click it twice real fast in order for that to cut the light on. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's your SOS. 5. Okay, well, I guess I was mistaken. I thought I saw a strobe on there, but hey, I ain't mad at it. Let me cut this bad boy off. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. You got a flashlight, and this would be something that's cool for, like, you know, get home after dark and you trying to fumble around trying to find your keys. This is already strapped to your bag. You know, it's a sling bag right there, or you know, strapped to your wherever you got to strap to it. You know, and you can take this out. You need to illuminate the area real quick, you know, so you can see your keys. I mean, it might not be the brightest thing. All right, click it again and get it on the brightest setting. So, I mean, it's better than nothing. It's better than nothing. And I think that's one of the reasons why I decided to get it. But anyway, let me cut this off. All right, let's see. Oh, man, that battery percentage went down quick. Right, with the light on. Oh, so that tells me using the light on here, the flashlight feature, is going to drain this bad boy very, very fast. Very, very fast. Let me see something. Let's go ahead and see. Okay, that's USB. I don't have anything no more that has the lightning, so really can't test this lightning out. So this is just going to be for decoration, really. All right. I thought maybe I could pull it off, but no, just keep it covered. All right, well, I don't want to stay covered. But anyway, this is where I'm going to use to charge the device. Now, it would have been better to have this on here as the USB-C, or it would have been good to have, because I have one of these power bank exactly like, well, somewhat like this, but this part comes off. All right, and then I have another one from Anchor that it actually folds down. So I don't know, it is what it is. So let's go ahead and plug this bad boy and see what we getting on here. Okay, don't see no fast charge. All right, so do I need to push some buttons on here? All right, then push the button. I know my screen is dirty. I know my screen dirty. All right, give me a break. Give me a break. All right. All right. All right. Maybe it's because it's because it's the battery's so low. Let me try something. Let me see. It's okay. Okay, it does. Wait a minute. Before I speak too fast, let me take this out and put it back in. All right, we got charging. Oh, I saw a message came up on the screen. Let me do this again. What does this message say? The faster charge uses a different one. So this is basically doing just regular charge. Now they're saying it's supposed to be fast charging. I don't know if it's because of the the battery is low, but I got in a pinch. This is a pretty good power bank. So if you're in a pinch and just ran out of juice real quick, you say you are out at a dinner or something, you need to get a quick jump. 5,000 miles should charge you to 100%. At least on a Note 20 Ultra and maybe iPhone 15 Pro Max or the 16. You should get you a full charge from 0 to 100. But that being said, you can see it does pass through charging because I got it plugged into a power source. So it does pass through charging. As you can see with it charging, how let me unplug this right here. How it's showing it's charging. Yeah, I might need to have a longer cord. Let me see if I got a longer cord. I got a longer cord. I'm gonna use one of my cords, a longer cord that I already got plugged in here. Yeah, I'm gonna use this so you can get a better look at it. See it charging? All right. So I'm not gonna make this video no longer than what it needs to be, but you get the gist. It charges. But one thing I wanted, well, let me see. This has got to be another way to charge this. Let me see if I can use a power bank to charge it. Let me see, just for giggles. I ain't gonna use the other word, just for giggles to see. All right, let me plug this into here. And this is I did a video on this a minute ago, but let's see here. Oh yeah, okay. You see that? It's plugged into this power bank. Let me move my hand so you can see it's plugged into the power bank, and it's charging it. So you could charge it that way, or you could charge it with this USB-C. Either way, you could charge it. But for me, this is really useless. This part right here, unless you have like an old, older iPhone. But a lot of people still have them. So hey, this will be perfect. This will be a good stocking stuff for a gift for somebody that's always on the go. This is pretty cool. And the name of this is called The Ones. And on the back of this, origin to sumless. Not sure what that means, but yeah, that's what's on the device. And there's more information right here. You can pause this and read it for yourself. But overall, I think it's pretty cool. I mean, the only bad thing about it, only thing I don't like is not for me, is this the USB, the lightning port right here. Now, if you could take this off and place a USB-C in there, it would have been perfect. But it is what it is, all right? But I'm gonna leave a link in the description box below where you can get detailed information on it, so you can get one for yourself. And for those spec junkies thinking I forgot something, hey, I'm not an expert. I'm learning as we go. I'm figuring this stuff out as we go, all right? So if you haven't already, go ahead to like, subscribe, notification bell so you'll be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, tell that friend, tell a friend to subscribe. It's free, don't cost anything, and you'll be helping somebody out, all right? So they can see cool products like these on the channel, and like this here, all right? I still got a bunch to go. Anyway, like I always say, treat people how you want to be treated. Treat people better than you want to be treated, all right? I mean that. Treat people better than you want to be treated. All right. Let's see here. The message for today. Think before you speak. That's it. Think before you speak. A lot of you probably like, Mark, here you go again. Yeah, here I go again. a lot of times, you know, and I've been accused of this, you know, back in the day, because, you know, from being from up north, you know, they always say, y'all just don't care about what y'all come out of your mouth. Well, over the years, I've learned that, you know, be careful what you speak, because your words have a lot of power. And a lot of times, you know, we just blurt out stuff, and then sometimes, a lot of times it get taken out of context. You might mean one thing, but everybody who heard what came out of your mouth is, you know, interpreting it a different way. So that's why I say, before you speak, you know, I know it's hard, you know, I even have to work on this. Think. And I had an old commander when I was stationed at Fort Bragg. They were like, he would, on our safety briefing for the long holidays, he would always say, you know, if you got to think more than 10 seconds about something, you might not want to do it. So basically he's saying think, basically think. So think before you speak, because of the fact that, you know, once some words come out of your mouth, you can't take them back. You can't take them back. And with some people, you can tell them, oh, I didn't mean this, I didn't mean it that way, I mean it. You can say that until the cows come home. They don't care. And what they heard is what they heard, and they ain't trying to hear what you got to say about it. They want to hear, no, you said it. You said this, you said that. And you might not mean it in a malicious or a bad way. You might have just been saying something in a way, just trying to be, in a good, you might have been trying to say it in a good way, but it just came out wrong. For some reason, people just don't like to give you a second chance. People just like, hey, no, that's what you meant, that's what you meant. How you gonna tell somebody that's what they meant and you're not in their head? If you can't hear a person's thoughts, you can't tell them what they meant. But that's what it goes back to. Be careful what you speak, because your words are powerful. And a lot of times, you know, you can speak stuff into existence, because, you know, like those vision boards and stuff like that, you just speak out and say, hey, this or that, this or that, this or that, and sometimes it comes true, sometimes it don't. But like I said, be careful what you speak, because your words are powerful. You are powerful, all right? All right. That's the message for today. This is your main man, Mark, for Loose Screws Reviews. Drop the mic, baby, and we out. Peace. Let me go ahead and charge this phone up. I know it's getting